Dua to recite in daily prayer after tashahud means at-tahiyyat and Durud Ibrahim. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when any one of you finish the last tashahud means at-tahiyyat, then let him seek refuge with Allah from four things: from the torment of hell, from the torment of the grave, from the trials of life and death, and from the fitna of Masih ad-Dajjal. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min adhabi jahannam wa min adhabi al-qabr wa min fitnati al-mahya wal-mamat wa min fitnati al-Masih ad-Dajjal. O Allah, I seek refuge in you from the torment of hell, and from the torment of the grave, and from the trials of the life and death, and from the fitna of Masih ad-Dajjal. Sunan Ibn Majah, Sahih.